Welcome to the Chronicles of the Kwan channel, home of the Disney Versus Battles, a series focusing on characters from the Disney universe, analyzing their combat skills and abilities in a side-by-side comparison to determine who would win in a hypothetical battle, and Theoretical Inquiry, a series of videos taking an in-depth look at a large variety of theories ranging from religion to pop culture and icons, with the intent to uncover the one thing in life that truly matters: truth. Join me on my quest to uncover all the mysteries of the Disney universe and expose the lies found within our society.